Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your own personal background in Google Meet. So for you to add your own personal background in Google Meet, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Like here you can see, I'm going to switch to my Google account right now. See, that's it. It's very simple, automatic. Then once you're logged to your Google account, then click on New Meeting. Then right here you can start an instant meeting. Once you create and start an instant meeting, so you automatically take to the platform where you can start the meeting. Still trying to get in. Alright, good, we are good to go. Almost there. Meeting. Okay, good. Right here, if you want to add people or other people to the meeting, you can easily add others by sending them invite through the mail, or you can easily copy the link and send it to them directly to their DM, and they can join. Now in this video I want to show you how you can add your own personal background. You want to add your own personal background, you can see this personal background right here. This is background made by Google Meet. So I want to use my personal background. So I'm just going to tap on this option, which is the threat. See, apply visual effect. You click on it, then you come right here. Give minutes to hold up the page, and click on this particular option. Add your own personal background. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you down to your homepage on your local storage. Then right here, I want to use this particular background, which is the cover image our YouTube channel, which is the Twoguysfinance. Then you click on it and open, and that's it. You can see the image has been added to the background. Then you can use this for Google Meeting and use these photos for background Google Meet. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for me. Thank you.